Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph Peretz, and you're watching my video series on how to build your own ADU garage conversion. What is the biggest mistake homeowners make when doing underground mechanical? Watch the video to find out. Now, before you do underground mechanical on your garage, you have to design your ADU. I have designed and built over 50 ADUs in the past year. And I also do construction in the greater Los Angeles area. If you have any questions at all about architectural, design, or construction, just check out my website, josephperetz.com. It's linked down below and it has a ton of information about ADUs. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake homeowners make when doing underground mechanical. In this week's video, we are going to be talking about underground mechanical. This garage is an existing 370 square feet. We are converting this garage into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. Underground plumbing is really important. Remember, there's 3 different inspections for underground plumbing. There's underground plumbing, there's rough plumbing, and there's finished plumbing. Today, underground plumbing, we're just kind of basically understanding where everything goes, where the tub goes, where the toilet goes, where the vanity goes. Where's our washer dryer? How big is our washer dryer? We want to make sure that we pick everything and figure out exactly where everything is going to go, because today we're going to cut slab. Once you cut slab, obviously it costs a lot of money, but we're going to then put in the piping under the slab, and it's very, very important we get it done right, correctly on the first time, because changing underground plumbing becomes very expensive very quickly. Upgrading of gas, very important for underground plumbing. Right now we have 3/4 inch and we need to upgrade it to 1.25 inch. So trench from your existing meter all the way down to the garage. In the garage, we're gonna have our oven and we're going to have our water heater that needs gas. Remember, you need to do a calculation. If you wanna learn how to do a calculation, check out my course. I teach everyone how to do quick calculations and quick little tips. Most of the time, your plumber's gonna do your calculation, but if you wanna learn, we can definitely teach you here. The number one mistake homeowners make with underground mechanical is not installing a brand new sewer line. What you really want to do is go from the main ADU all the way to the side of the house and in the front, making the sewer line a connection at a Y. A lot of people go under their house trying to save money and time. But the truth is, you will always have backflow in your ADU. Remember, the ADU is much lower than your main house. So we always want to do a new sewer line in the front connection. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like what you just saw, I offer a comprehensive course on how to build an ADU garage conversion as an owner builder. Just go to josephperetz.com for all your ADU needs. The course is going to save you thousands of dollars and hours of headaches. And again, remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down below anything you need for your ADU. And check out all my social media. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.